Oh, those love handles are such a pain to lose. Going back and forth on this unit just works the upper and lower abs, but not the obliques. But now, there's a revolutionary new machine that will target your entire core, upper, middle, lower abs, and obliques, while simultaneously giving you an amazing cardio workout that targets your midsection. Introducing the Gymform Power Disc Ab Exerciser. With the Power Disc, you get a muscle-strengthening ab exercise and a fat-burning cardio workout combined in one breakthrough system that's so fun and easy to use, you'll never go back to boring exercises ever again. The Power Disc is like a treadmill for your abs. It's the quickest, easiest way to get the flat washboard abs and the sexy toned body you've always wanted. Just place your knees in the comfortable knee supports and immediately begin riding your way to a totally fit and sexy body. Just 3 minutes a day is all you'll need to lose those extra pounds, build your core muscles, and get in perfect shape. Just 3 minutes of working out on the Power Disc is equal to doing over 100 sit-ups. And look, this thermographic imaging shows how it works your core area better than ordinary sit-ups. The Gymform Power Disc will bring you to your fat-burning zone faster than a treadmill, quicker than elliptical machines, and faster than exercise bicycles. But the Power Disc isn't just an ab exerciser. Just remove the center locking pin and you'll be able to get a freestyle workout that turns the Power Disc into a bun and thigh machine. By moving your legs up and down the friction-free track, you'll tighten, firm, and tone your buns and thighs, and even help remove cellulite. The Power Disc provides a total of 6 resistance levels, perfect for beginners and advanced. And once you're done, it conveniently folds to store easily under your bed or in your closet. You could spend thousands on all these bulky ab and bun and thigh machines found in the gym. But the Gymform Power Disc will give you the same benefits and will cost you much, much less. We'll include this free diet plan booklet filled with healthy, delicious recipes. And you'll also get this workout guide to help you shape, tone, and strengthen your body. But we're not done yet. We'll also include this multi-function onboard computer, complete with timer to control your workout time, a calorie counter to keep track of the calories you burn, and 2 motion meters, one to measure the number of repetitions per session, and the other to measure the total repetitions over several sessions. Through this exclusive offer, you get the Gymform Power Disc, the advanced diet plan booklet, the workout guide, plus the free multi-function onboard computer. The Gymform Power Disc, it's the quickest, easiest way to get the flat washboard abs and the sexy toned body you've always wanted.